it's morning in the past. Ako kilig. It's morning in the past.
Namaste ji. This is Joy from Radio Mijo World. Along with me I have Payal and the kids are sitting at the back. Where is Tisha? Can't see Tisha. Where is Tisha? Yeah, there you go. There's Tisha. So we are all geared up now to start for Hyderabad. The time is right now 9:43. I thought that we will be able to make it at 9 o'clock, but no worries. We are still okay to start right now. यहाँ से हैदराबाद की जो दूरी है, that is around 686 kilometer. And as per Google, we will be reaching at around 10:30 in the night. So hopefully we should reach before that. The road is good from here to Vijayawada, and from Vijayawada to Hyderabad it is even better, is what I've heard of. So we would try to cover this distance maybe in 11 hours time. तो देखते हैं, हमारे साथ बने रहिए and we will show you the road as we move on, okay? And the other sceneries that we will be crossing. Okay, चलिए मिलते हैं बहुत जल्दी. तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए. ये हाईवे से हम लोग विजयवाड़ा तक जा रहे हैं और विजयवाड़ा से देयर विल बी अ बाइफर्केशन वेयर वी विल लैंड ऑन विजयवाड़ा हैदराबाद हाईवे, द हाईवे दैट गोज अंटिल मुंबई. So that's the highway. So the entire stretch is 4-lane road and hopefully we are going to get a good drive. We are going to experience a good drive. और क्या, और बाकी सब तो ठीक है जी, सब कुछ ठीक है. पेट भर हम लोगों ने ब्रेकफास्ट किया है. I was talking to you about the hotel and the restaurant. Oceanic, welcome Hotel Oceanic. Definitely you should try it. One of your meals out there if you happen to be in Vizag. You will definitely like it. काफी अच्छा है. The staff is good and they take care of you. Very nice people. Big thumbs up to Shravani for taking so good care of us. And then the chef, Mr. Akhil, Mr. Manoj, and also Appala Raju, right? All of them were superb, and a few more names. I'm unable to recollect all the names, but all of these people, they have done a splendid job, and they are doing a splendid job. Anyway, आप लोग enjoy कीजिए ये drive. हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे जितना informative कर सके करेंगे उसको, रख सके इस चीज़ को. और Payal, anything from your side? Anything that you would like to say?
Bye bye Vizag. We had a wonderful time. Bye Vizag. Thank you so much. We had a fun time. हैदराबाद चलते हैं
हैदराबाद. Hey, hi guys. 1 hour 50 minutes. We just did 50 kilometers, 51 kilometers in 1 hour 50 minutes. So average still around 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. क्यों? क्योंकि हम लोग फंसे थे एक बहुत ही भयानक ट्रैफिक जैम एंड वी वर स्टक इन द ट्रैफिक जैम. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा उसका शॉट्स. होपफुली माय अदर कैमरा हैज कैप्चर्ड some of those shots of the traffic jam, and now I can say that we are out on a good highway. We are out of all the cities and the area of Vizag and the outskirts of it. अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं on the highway, so we are happy and hopefully it's going to get better from here, and I just hope that we are able to make up for the lost time and reach Hyderabad by 9:30. Just praying for it. Wow! 104 kilometers done. और 2.5 घंटे में 2:30 minutes 105 kilometers per hour की स्पीड में अभी हम लोग चल रहे हैं. एंड अगेन अ ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक ब्यूटी ऑफ द ईस्टर्न घाट्स. सही में बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. एंड पायल इज गाइडिंग मी कि सामने देखो. मैं एक्चुअली सामने देख रहा हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी गुड रोड. पायल, हाउ डू यू फील?
फैंटास्टिक, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और द सीनरी इज ऑसम.
बहुत ही सुंदर है. आई ट्राई टू गेट दैट वीडियो शॉट एज पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन ऑफ द व्लॉग, ताकि आपको दिखे कि हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं. राइट, एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. चलिए एंजॉय कीजिए. Okay. Hey, hi guys. Right now it is 12:30 and we happen to spot a cafe coffee day. तो आना ही था. तो this is the cafe coffee day. सोचा कि कुछ कॉफ़ी पी लेते हैं. फ्रैपे पीने का मन था. गर्मी बहुत है. It might be around 36-37 I believe. और बाजू में HP पेट्रोल पंप है. तो डीजल भी भरवा लेंगे. Right? तो सो गया. अभी एक फ्रैपे पीते हैं. उसके बाद आगे बढ़ेंगे. आइए आपको दिखाते हैं कैफे कॉफी डे कैसा होता है ऑन द हाईवे. So we have ordered 2 frappes. Generally एक frappe में 60 ml shot along with 4 pouches of sugar जाता है. But we normally make our frappes with 45 ml shot per frappe along with 2 pouches of sugar. So it is a bit on the lighter side and also less sweet. That is how we like it. Let's see कैसे बनता है और फिर आपको दिखाते हैं. By the way, Payal, how do you feel after getting into cafe coffee after such a long time?
और जनरली जब भी हम रोड ट्रिप पर होते हैं सो आई लव टू हैव कॉफ़ी ऑन माई ड्राइव. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई इंसिस्टेड कि अगर कोई CCD है तो लेट्स ग्रैब कॉफ़ी.
दिस वाज एक्चुअली हर आइडिया कि कहीं पे कैफे कॉफ़ी डे है क्या. तो मैंने ऐसे ही सर्च किया और एकदम 2 मिनट के दूरी पे कैफे कॉफ़ी डे मिल गया. सो दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग फॉर अस. ठीक है, मिलते हैं कॉफ़ी के साथ. मिल गया फ्रैपे. हाँ, रिफ्रेशिंग, डेफिनेटली रिफ्रेशिंग. मैं आपको सोचा एक बार बताता हूँ कि जो ये हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ये जो ड्राइव है, व्हाट इज़ दिस सर्कल ईस्ट ड्राइव, समथिंग दैट यू हैव सीन. सो सर्कल ईस्ट ड्राइव इज़ बिकॉज वी थॉट ऑफ टेकिंग अ राउट ऑल द वे फ्रॉम नागपुर टू इलाहाबाद, वाराणसी एंड देन कोलकाता. And because we wanted to come down south, we thought कि obviously we'll take eventually we decided that we'll go to Vizag for a small holiday trip. Then we came down to Vizag. From Vizag, now we are going to Hyderabad. From Hyderabad back to Nagpur. So if you see, it's a full circle. We just called it Circle East or East, Circle East Drive or something like that, just to give it a peppy name. So that is the overall plan, and that became our overall plan, which we are currently executing. Total distance, I think when I checked it out on the internet, it is close to 3,100 or 3,600 odd kilometers, which I'll confirm. एक और बार चेक करके मैं आपको बताता हूँ. जो total distance हम लोग कर रहे हैं, right? It is exactly what distance we are covering, but it is definitely more than 3,000 kilometers over a period of 2 weekends. In fact, rather 3 weekends. Last to last weekend we started off from Nagpur, and on Sunday we reached Kolkata. Last weekend we started from Kolkata, and then we reached Vizag after our night halt in Bhubaneswar. That is one vlog that you guys will anyway check. And after that, we are doing one night halt in Hyderabad and then back to Nagpur. So this is one entire circle of close to 3,600 or more kilometers. So anyway, we'll keep you guys posted. अभी के लिए इतना ही. फिर मिलते हैं. Bye bye. Okay, 215 kilometers down. We just took a Google actually. It seems took a shortcut. NH16 से हम लोग निकल गए, and we are on a state highway 210, and we are crossing a humongous water body. And this bridge itself seems to be very, very long. And as per Google, it is close to 5 kilometers. I don't know. I think in all possibility, this is an extension of the Krishna river. So if you can see a view of it, so this is the entire stretch of the water body that we are crossing, and I'm very sure this is an extension of Krishna river, if not the Krishna river. I'll have to check it on the map once, because whatever I checked right now while driving, I could not spot a name, so I'm not very sure what it is actually. I mean, what's the name of this river or water body? I'm not very sure. But this was beautiful. Okay, and along with that, we are having some donuts with different flavors on top of it, chocolate plus.
And we have got muffins too.
Wow, we have got muffins too, yeah. Hey, Namaste ji. 355 kilometers, 7 hours. As usual, 50 kilometers per hour, and I don't think it is going to increase. जो traffic है यहाँ पे, we have entered Vijayawada by the way, and बहुत traffic है, बहुत ज़्यादा traffic है. There has to be something where you need to bypass all these important and busy roads. अगर highway city के अंदर से जाएगा तो बहुत problem है. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the time right now is 9:53. The total distance that we have done until now from the point where we started Vizag is 609 kilometers. Total duration 11 घंटे 10 minutes. And the good news is we are just about 1.4 kilometers from this point to enter into ORR, the outer ring road, which is the road around Hyderabad city. It's a wonderful road, one of the best roads that I know of, apart from Yamuna Expressway and Mumbai Pune Expressway. This is another fantastic road, 4-lane highway or 4-lane outer ring road, majestically made. Yes, beta? Nothing. Okay, fantastic. So we are entering Hyderabad, and we are excited, super excited that we did a wonderful
In
leg.
600 meters, use the left 2 lanes to take the ramp to Nehru Outer Ring Road.
There you go. The left 2 lane to getting to Outer Ring Road. So I'll give you a glimpse of Outer Ring Road. Most of you may have already seen Outer Ring Road on various YouTube
Use the
videos.
left 2 lanes to take the ramp to Nehru Outer Ring Road.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do it. I'll do as you say. There's a puchi tigress. Here's little tigress. We are entering Hyderabad now. Yeah. So yes, thank you for staying with us and watching all the videos. We'll get better with time. You know, whatever I'm trying to do in here, Payal and I is only using one
Turn right
mobile
at the
phone.
fork.
Hopefully you like it. I'll pay the toll. I'll catch up with you guys soon after. Okay. So after close to 12.5 hours, we have reached Hyderabad and our hotel Holiday Inn 606, and this is how it looks. Okay. There you go. It's a very small and compact and a sweet room. अच्छा है, काफी neat and clean है. Look at the smile on my face. तो अभी हम लोग जाएंगे डिनर करने के लिए. उसके बाद इसी बेड पे we are going to crash. Okay. So thank you for staying with us all through the journey. Tomorrow we are going to do the final leg from Hyderabad all the way to Nagpur, which is a known territory. We have done that a number of times. Wonderful road. Looking forward to it. And yeah, do like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions about this particular route, please feel free to put up a question and I'll respond to you. Thank you so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.